Hey there, is your Spectrum router blinking red? This indicates a connection issue. In this video, we will explain what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. A blinking red light on your Spectrum router means there is a connectivity problem. This can happen due to internet service outages in your area, weak or unstable internet signal, loose or damaged cable, firmware updates, or system errors. Before troubleshooting, check if Spectrum is experiencing an outage in your area. You can do this by visiting the Spectrum website or using my Spectrum app. Unplug your modem and router from power. Wait at least 30 seconds, plug in the modem first and wait it for fully boot up. Now turn on the router and wait for the lights to stabilize. A simple restart can fix many connection issues. Make sure all cables are securely connected. A loose or damaged coaxial or Ethernet cable can cause the router to lose its connection. If your router is still blinking red, try resetting it. Hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds, then wait for it to reboot. The restores factory settings, so you may need to set up your Wi-Fi again. That's it. Your Spectrum router should now be working. If the blinking red light continues, contact Spectrum support for further help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.